Hello, dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you in this series, non building design and also known as computer aided building drawing. Let me introduce myself. Myself is Vipul Kumar. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering from RKDF University, Bhopal in 2017 and my Master of Technology in Structural Engineering from Cambridge Institute of Technology, Ranchi in 2020. I also Chartered Engineer certified by Institute of Engineers India. I am here to teach you building drawing in a practical way, which is very important for all diploma and B.Tech student, whether it is including in your syllabus or not. Because a complete engineer is someone who knows how to read and create drawing effectively. The main purpose of this series is to help you learn practical drawing skills, especially for those students who cannot afford extra classes like AutoCAD, 3ds Max in other institute. So don't worry, I am here for you. I help you for learning all this software. This platform will help you learn and even earn some pocket money along with your studies. Only you all need to pay close attention to each point I explain. Please follow the step carefully and practice along with the video. Feel free to pause the video whenever needed and take proper notes. As this software contains a large number of tools and features, taking notes will help you remember and apply them effectively in future. I will see you all in the next lecture where I will explain the complete course content and guide you step by step on how we will learn building drawing together. For those who are not familiar with AutoCAD, so don't worry. I will teach you both AutoCAD and drawing concept side by side in a simple and practical manner. Until then, thank you for your time. Please allow me to take your leave and I will look forward to seeing you in the next lecture. Thank you all for joining this computer aided building drawing series. Please like, subscribe and share this channel to more students can benefit from this series. Thank you. Meet you in next lecture.